In question 9, the diagram shows part of the curve with the equation y square equals to x minus 2 and the lines x equals to 5 and y equals to 1. The shaded region enclosed by the curve and the lines is rotated through 360 degrees above the x-axis. We have to find the volume obtained. Now, to find the volume obtained, first we need this point of intersection of the line y equals to 1 and the curve. Once we have this point of intersection, we can use the limits 5 and this x coordinate to find the volume obtained under the curve, and then we'll find the volume obtained under the line and subtract these two to find the volume of the shaded region. So the volume formula is integral of y squared dx and the limits, the upper limit and the lower limit. Now in the first step, we'll find the point of intersection as at this point y equals to 1. So the equation of the curve was y squared equals to x minus 2 and the equation of the line is y equals to 1. So in place of y, we'll write 1 whole squared equals to x minus 2. So x will be equals to 3. So we know now that this value is x equals to 3. Now using the volume formula to find the volume under the curve. So volume under the curve will be equals to integral of y squared. Now we already know that the y squared value is x minus 2. So this will be x minus 2 dx and the limits will be 5 and 3. Integrating x minus 2, we will get x squared upon 2 minus 2x. Once we have integrated, we'll substitute the upper and the lower limits and subtract them to get the volume under the curve. So substituting 5, you will get 25 upon 2 minus 2 into 5 minus substituting 3, we'll get 9 upon 2 minus 2 into 3. We can simplify this to write it as, so this will be 25 upon 2, which is 12.5 minus 10 minus 9 upon 2 is 4.5. So this will be 4.5 minus 6. 12.5 minus 10 is 2.5 minus 4.5 minus 6 is minus 1.5. So this will become 2.5 plus 1.5, which is 4. And we also add a pi to the final answer. So this will become 4 pi. Now for the volume under the line, we'll get, so for volume under the line, that will be equals to, the equation of the line is y equals to 1. So we'll write it as 1 whole squared dx and the limits are again 5 and 2. Integrating 1, we will get x and now the limits we'll have to apply. So, and we'll also have to add a pi to the answer. So applying the limits 5 and 3, we will get 5 minus 3. So this will be 2 and we'll add pi to the final answer. So this will become 2 pi. So for the volume of the shaded region, we'll just simply subtract the two volumes. So the shaded region will be equals to 4 pi minus 2 pi. So the final answer will be equals to 2 pi.